American School Textbook Prek 3.
Chapter 1. Social Studies. History and Geography.
Unit 2. The First Man into Space. Sun. Night sky. Moon. Star. What can you see in the sky? You can see the sun. What can you see in the night sky? You can see the moon. You can see the stars. Read the word aloud. Space. Earth. Travel into. Go into. Travel around. Some people go into space. Some people go to the moon. Some people travel around Earth. Match each word with the right picture. Astronaut. Rocket. Space Center. Lift off. Astronaut travel into space. They go into space from a space center. Rockets lift off from a space center. Read the words aloud. Spacesuit. Protect. Breathe. Stay warm. Astronauts wear spacesuits. Spacesuits protect astronauts in space. Thanks to spacesuits, they can breathe. Thanks to spacesuits, they can stay warm. Thanks to spacesuits, they can walk and talk. Who was the first man into space? It was Yuri Gagarin. He went into space in 1961. Who was the first man on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. He walked on the moon in 1969. What does each picture show? Astronaut, rocket, space center, spacesuit. Circle the correct words. Astronauts travel into space. Rockets lift off from a space center. Astronauts go into space from a space center. Spacesuits protect astronauts in space.